In this video, I will show you how to sell an ebook in Wix for free. In order to do that, what you can do is you can head over right here to your actual catalog. Click on Store Products and then go to your products. From in there, you should be able to see in here any products that you have created in the past or recently. Click on this new product option. Click on this digital file. As you can see under the digital file, we can upload in here an ebook. Then after that, it should show you in here a form that can fill up with the product details. So for example, let's put in here paper towns ebook. Then just upload in here the ebook that you want. Click on this document right here and then upload in here the ebook from your site. You can also upload your media from your computer as well. So I'll head over and then do that. Now I'll just locate it right around here and then open it. And then after I have opened it, this will upload right around here. Now click on this add to product and as you can see, it's been added. Now as you can see, the name will be Paper Towns ebook and you can generate in here the text using AI. Then click on this right here. Then you can also add in here some images or videos that you want as well. So I'll not add some, but you can add some as well. And on the pricing, you can price it to your liking. And for the inventory, you can put in here an inventory of how many things that you want for this stock. And then after that, just head over and click on the save option in order to save and sell it for your Wix.